Hi, in today's video I will show you how to add About page to your Shopify store. Let's begin. You are in your Shopify dashboard and then you see the store icon here. Click Online Store and you will see Pages. Click Pages. After that you have to put Add Page and you write here About us or about you can write about, and then you write here whatever you write, for example like whatever, we offer wide collection of unique beautifully crafted whatever it is. Okay, you do that. Okay, and then it is like you see it's visible and it's page and everything. Okay, it is looking like this, whatever. Then you save it and you have your About page. You can view it and it looks like this, but see, it is not in the menu. We have to add it to the menu. So we go back and then we go to the navigation, main menu, add menu item, and you can like click here, see pages, and you have your the About page you just created, and it looks like this. It's so easy, you don't have to write anything. It's just, if you can change it, if you want to put About Us, you can put it like this, and then you add it. Yeah, and I didn't like that catalog thing, but we can keep it like for now. So let's put this, I don't know, here, about us, catalog, whatever. Save. And your About page is done. Thanks for watching.